Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the M93P small form factor desktop. Today we're going to be replacing the power supply assembly. This process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required to do this will be a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. Make sure to shut down your computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For more information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. To remove the computer cover, we must remove 2 thumb screws in the back of the machine. The first thumb screw and the second thumb screw. Then we're going to press down on the release button and slide the cover towards the rear of the chassis and remove it. Now we're going to pull outward on the clips to release the bezel. Now we're going to swing the front bezel open like a door and remove it. So now we need to open the drive bay assembly. To do so, you just press inward on the latch marked with the blue touch point and pivot the drive bay assembly upwards until the latch springs into place. There are 2 cables that need to be disconnected before removing the power supply. One 14-pin connector and one 4-pin connector. Now we're going to remove the cables from the cable clip. To open the clip, you just twist it until they're unlocked. Then I'm going to pull the cables from the clip. Now we're going to remove 3 retaining screws. Then we're going to hold the cables up, then press down on the lever, push the power supply towards the front of the system, and remove it. Here we have our replacement power supply assembly. Now we're going to place the power supply into the system and slide it back until the clip locks into place. Now we're going to replace 3 retaining screws into the power supply. Now we're going to replace the power cables into the clip and twist the clip until it's locked into place. Now we need to reconnect the 14-pin power cable and the 4-pin power cable. To close the drive bay assembly, we need to press inward on this latch marked with the blue touch point and pivot the drive bay assembly downward until it latches into place. When replacing the front bezel, there are 3 hinge clips that we want to align with the 3 holes on the inside of the chassis. You're going to line those up and then close the front bezel like a door. We're going to press inward on the clips to secure the front bezel. When replacing the computer cover, we want to assure that we're lining up the tabs on the cover with the slots in the chassis. Just kind of place the cover down onto the chassis and slide it forward. Finally, we replace 2 thumb screws in the rear of the machine. The first thumb screw and the second thumb screw.